Hi, this is Alicia from Thrifty and Chic with another review for you. This review is really exciting, mainly because it's my product. So not so much a review as I want to share it with you and kind of show you what it's all about. So I have been creating some journals, recipe books, other books for sale on Amazon recently, and the first couple have come in that I would like to share with you. They will periodically be available, and I will share those when they come to me, so you guys could have the first glimpse of them. And yeah, so let's get started. So this first one was the very first one that I've done, and I went with like a boho chic look with this pretty floral design in Adobe color. It is 7x10, so big. It's great for journaling or for note-taking. And it is a hardcover with a matte finish. All my journals are pretty much going to be matte finishes because it is so buttery soft. It's amazing to feel it. So no glare, it's great. So when you open it, there is going to be a place that you can write your name if you wish. And these pages, there's about 200 pages in here. Cream pages, not super stark white, so they're not blinding to the eye. I hate writing with bright white, especially when you're outside, it blinds you. So this is hopefully going to be helpful. And so each one of these pages has this floral pattern on it. So I created the floral pattern to be on there. So if you are note-taking, you can easily just doodle and make it look like you're still note-taking. Also, it's just fun to kind of make the words on the page come to life if you were to color these or do whatever you'd like with them. I learned just recently how fun note-taking can be if you do it correctly. So you gotta get yourself some like fun colored scented pens and something beautiful to write in. And so that's why I created these. I have the pens, but I didn't have the journal. And so I created this just mainly for me, but knowing that you all will like it. So here is the hardcover one. And this one also comes in a paperback edition. So hardcover for durability. Paperback is just nice to have, especially for note-taking, and of course journaling. So however you guys want, I know people's preferences are different. Next will be this other one that just came in today, in fact. And I love this one. I thought this other boho chic one was going to be my favorite, but when I got this in the mail, I was like, oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. And so this is a very similar design as it's 7x10. This one's hardcover. It also comes in paperback. And we have this belongs to page along with more cream filled 200 pages to write in. Now this one I did a little different on the inside where it's just this cute little circle that you can either do page numbers on, make it into whatever you want, color in it, leave it alone, whatever you choose. And so I will link all these. Well, there's 3 of them, but I'll link these in the description below. They're also available in my Amazon shop. So every time one gets available, before I even get them and prior review them, I will be adding those to my Amazon shop, so you guys could go check them out there. I'll of course let you know when they are available for new designs. And if you have a design that you would like to see, let me know. I have so many ideas going in my head right now. I'm thinking I'm going along the lines with men's journals, or I don't know if they would be called journals in that case. What do men call journaling? Anyway, and some kids ones. And so I'm excited for these, and I hope that you enjoy them as well. See you on the next review.